The 2024 MLB season is here, and something super annoying may have caught you by surprise already. Your regional games are blacked out. But don't worry though, I'm here to help. I'll show you how to watch MLB TV and all of its games from wherever you are. So, let's say you want to catch the Angels or Dodgers game while in LA, but it's blacked out. I've been there before, and it makes JoJo furious. But I know a workaround. For that, you'll need a VPN. It'll help you bypass any restrictions and allow you to watch MLB TV blackout-free even if you're outside the United States or Canada. For that to work, we need to choose the right VPN for the task. I'll show you how it's done with NordVPN. It works smoothly by bypassing MLB blackout restrictions on MLB TV. NordVPN has plenty of suitable servers to watch MLB games. In North America alone, there are more than 2,000 servers in 19 different locations to choose from, so finding an option to avoid MLB TV blackout issues won't be hard. Besides, NordVPN is the fastest VPN I've ever tested. It allowed me to watch in 4K definition without any buffering. Besides accessing content, a VPN is mainly used for protecting your privacy online. And when it comes to that, NordVPN is the industry leader. It has modern encryption, multiple independent audits, and plenty of extra security features, including threat protection, a tool that scans downloads for malware and blocks ads as well as trackers. So if you decide to go with NordVPN MLB TV 2, the quickest way to download it onto your computer is to use our link in the description or scan this QR code. That way, you'll also get it at the lowest price possible. Once the download and installation are finished, connect to your chosen server. So let's say I want to catch the Angels or Dodgers game while I'm in LA. Since it's blocked locally, I can simply connect to a nearby server that's outside of California. In this case, Phoenix seems like an ideal choice. But for that, of course, you'll need to register on one of the streaming platforms that showcases MLB games. Personally, I recommend Fubo TV. This provider is known for its top-notch sports packages, including plenty of popular MLB channels like ESPN, ESPN2, ABC, Fox, and Fox Sports 1. If you're not sure you'll like Fubo TV, there's a free trial. You might ask, but why not MLB TV? Well, the price is much higher, and it doesn't include nationally televised games, which, as you probably know, are often the big ones. If after following this guide you still can't watch MLB online, here are some fixes. First, connect to a different server on your VPN app. Next, delete all the cookies and clear the cache on your browser. If that doesn't bring success, trying a different browser is also a good idea. Another thing you can try is a different VPN tunneling protocol. You can change it in your VPN application settings. You can also check for IP and DNS leaks and turn on leak protection if your VPN has it. If you're not using one of the best VPN providers, it might be that your VPN simply can't bypass geo restrictions. That's not going to be a problem if you use NordVPN with MLB TV. In addition, their customer support is there 24/7 and will help make sure MLB is accessible. That'd be all for this guide on how to watch MLB TV with a VPN. Now, if you're a Formula One fan, I've got you covered with a tutorial on how to watch that from anywhere too. And if you want to consider a different MLB VPN, Surfshark is a good alternative. I've got a review for that one as well. Lastly, don't forget that if you want the best VPN for MLB TV, NordVPN, or Surfshark, check the links in the description. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Now have a great MLB season.